So I spent 3 hours fixing my Linux setup here on PC because I couldn't fix my life. Yes, that's right. It's a procrastination mechanism. If you look at real life, losing weight, learning a language, getting better at programming, all of those things take months. But when it comes to Linux, or generally your OS, you can tinker, you can tweak, and you can see instant results. So our brain doesn't really care if we are getting immediate output, or rather, if you're solving important stuff or not important stuff. It just cares that we are solving something. It likes the art of solving something. So after spending, let's say, an hour tweaking hyperland to exactly the way you like it, you feel extremely productive. However, you haven't really done much when it comes to the real world stuff. And if you look at people who like Linux, it's engineers, programmers, etc. These are people who like to put in effort and ASAP see the result on the other end as well. I wanted to study Rust. I ended up customizing everything, bringing my PC back to life, set it up with CachyOS, try out CachyOS, make a couple of videos on CachyOS as well. And that's the problem, right? Linux feels so addictive because what it does, it gives us a place where every single problem has a solution, right? And by the way, Linux isn't really bad. I still customize my stuff. I love to play around, but I try to ask myself, am I improving the tool, or am I avoiding the actual work that's required, right? Because the goal isn't really to have the perfect Linux setup, it's to build a life that we like to live, or we like to open our laptop for. And this is, by the way, something that I've also noticed for people who like omarchy. A lot of the people I talk to who are omarchy fans don't say I like customizing things, I like doing stuff, etc., etc. They say I wanted to work, and I wanted something that gave me that opportunity to work without breaking things every single day. Hence omarchy. I wanted to work with something that can be quickly set up and can give me an immediate opening into whatever I wanted to work on. That's why I like omarchy, and that's why a lot of people do like omarchy versus arch. So that's kind of one of the differences, at least I've noticed on a personal level. What about you? Have you noticed something or a pattern here?